Hello, everyone. This is Paul with ScanPower. I wanted to show you some new Google Sheet and ScanPower integration that we've developed and get some feedback. So what we have here on the left is information that's been sourced uh, using online arbitrage. So these items purchased online and the information recorded in a spreadsheet. And what we've done is we've made it possible for you to selectively import these into your ScanPower buy list. So I'll quickly explain what's going on. At the top, there are two cells to enter your email and password for ScanPower, and we'll use that to connect to our API. And then the buy list information is pretty straightforward and is recorded below with these columns: the ASIN, the purchase date, the condition, the cost is in cents. So just take whatever the dollar value is and multiply times 100. So if the item costs $2.65, just make it 265. Quantity, source, and then if the item has an expiration date, you can enter it here as well. The other thing to note is that when the spreadsheet loads, we've added a ScanPower menu, and it has just a single option to import the buy list. So it's real straightforward. You select the rows that you want to import. And so in this case, I'm just going to select everything here. And when you select import buy list information, it's going to connect with ScanPower and upload all the items to your buy list. So that just confirms that they were added. If we pop over here to the buy list and refresh, we're going to see all of those items in the quantities and at the cost that was specified in the spreadsheet. And so the nice thing about importing OA items into ScanPower is when those items are shipped to you, if you don't receive all the quantity at the same time, you can still go ahead and list them, and we'll remember what has been listed and what's still on the buy list. So if I switch over to our batch private listing and then load just a test batch that I've got going here, I can go ahead and list that first item. Let's say that the website here, I'll just remove this so it's not confusing. So I can go ahead and list this. Let's say that we ordered 4 from the website, but they've only shipped us 2. So you can reduce the quantity as you're listing the item. And it'll add it to the batch in that quantity. So there's 2 quantity here. And then if you go back to the buy list, it will show, and we refresh, it'll show that there's still 2 on the buy list. So this is nice for OA items because it's going to remember the ones that you've listed and still maintain the cost both on the listed and on the buy list. So if you have feedback, we'd love to hear it. Once I've showed a few people, I'll probably post a link to the template that you can use to import buy list items. Thanks for your time.